Children, let's discuss about one more topic today, that is accuracy and precision, because it is very, very important when we discuss about errors. This accuracy and precision. So what do you mean by accuracy? Accuracy means how close is the measured value to the true value of a quantity. That is accuracy. And what do you mean by precision? Precision tells us to what resolution or limit the quantity is measured, or how consistent are the series of values to each other. I know that you didn't understand much about the precision. Let me give you some examples. From the examples, the concept will be very clear to you. Okay, I'm sure about that. So suppose there is a cup or there is a mug. Suppose there is a cup. Okay. Now, the actual amount of tea in that mug is 120 milliliter. This is the actual amount of tea in that mug. Okay. When you measured the amount of tea in this mug 3 times, you got 3 different values. One is 119 milliliter, another one is 116 milliliter, another one is 115 milliliter. So among these 3 values, which is the most accurate value? So what is accuracy? Accuracy means how close the measured value is to the true value. So here what is the true value? 120 ml is the true value. And these are the measured values. So among these 3 values, which value is close to the true value? 119. So among these 3 values, 119 is the most accurate value because it is very, very close to the true value. Okay, so this is about accuracy. Then talk about precision. Okay, so what is precision? Here, these 3 values, 119, 116 and 115, just compare between these 3 values. Are they close or are they very near to each other? No. So these values are not precise because they are not consistent. Okay. Now consider another example. The same case. The case of tea, the actual value of tea in that mug is 120 milliliter and you measured the amount of tea 4 times and you obtained values like this: 100 ml and 101 ml, 102 ml and also again 101, again 101 ml. So these values 100 ml, 102 ml, 101 ml, again 101 ml, these values are not close to the true value because the true value is 120 ml and the observed values are very far away from the true value. So these values are not accurate, but at the same time these values are consistent. They are very close to each other, 100, 102, 101, 101, etc. So these values are precise because they are consistent, but at the same time these values are not accurate. Okay, because they are very far away from the actual value. So here precision is good, but accuracy is bad. So this is the difference between accuracy and precision. Okay. Now let me give you some examples and you just find out whether the set of values is accurate and precise. Okay. So the actual volume of liquid in a container is 20 ml. And when you measured the volume 4 times, you got values like this: 20 ml, 19.3 ml, 18.8 ml, 18.6 ml. Okay, 18.6. So are they accurate? Are they precise? This is 20 ml. So here these values are accurate because these values are somehow close to the true value, but at the same time they are not precise because they are not consistent with each other or close to each other. So accuracy is good but precision is bad. Now consider another set of values. You got when you measured the same volume of liquid, you got the values like 16 ml, 16.1 ml and 16 ml, 16.2 ml. So are they accurate? No, because they are far away from the true value of 20 ml, but at the same time they are precise because they are very close to each other. So accuracy is bad but precision is good. Now consider another set of values for the same case, and you got values like 20.1 ml, 20 ml, 20.2 ml and 20.1 ml. Are they accurate? Yes, very much accurate because they are very close to the true value 20 ml. Are they precise? Yes, of course it is precise because they are very close to each other too. So accuracy is good and also precision is good. Okay, so this is about accuracy and precision, and don't get confused between these two topics. You must clearly understand the difference between accuracy and precision is very, very important. So children, that's all about errors, accuracy and precision. So there will be a YouTube video based on this topic. Please do watch the video and clear your doubts. There will be a small test based on the topic. Attend the test after studying the notes. Okay. Then we will meet in the next session. Till then, take care. Stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you.